Marco Rocchio here, Rocchio Coffee. In front of me is the base of a moka pot, a brewing device that strikes fear into the heart of every barista. But you can make a good cup of coffee with a moka pot. It takes a little skill, a little science, and a little luck. One of the tricks to making a good moka pot is to boil the water in the base before you put in the coffee carrier or the top. This prevents the heating of the base from cooking the grounds. The coffee carrier. We put in 3/4 of an ounce of coffee, and we make the coffee a little higher in the center of the coffee carrier than on the sides. This is because the boiling water is going to rise through the center of the coffee carrier, so we do want most of the grounds there. The top of the moka pot, I want you to notice something. It is clean. Now, my grandmother and a lot of other Italians never cleaned the top. They thought that they were seasoning the top of the moka pot, but in reality, they were just adding more and more rancid coffee oil, and it made the coffee very, very bitter. Now, we wait. At the very beginning, you're going to see foam come up, and then you're going to see it flow out, just like lava. There's going to come a point where you need to take it off the fire because you're going to be extracting all the bitter elements of the coffee beans. And that's the part that just takes a little skill. Yeah, that's good. That's very good.